Good morning, everybody. How are you guys feeling? How was the party? Check. It's not working. OK, now it's working. But we skipped something. So, amazing party, right? Oh, maybe something happened. Guys, what I saw yesterday was the true SolidCAM spirit. You had no idea what's going to happen, and we all had a great party. And, you know, I had to do something. I put in 2 videos of yesterday where we can see what happened. I hope that you all remember. Wachte für dein Boris Zell. Danke. But this, I was thinking this could be a regular evening. Quiet, nothing is going to happen. But it is what it is, right?
5 minutes later.
So we make awesome software and we make awesome parties. Let's enjoy it a little more. And you know, when I was cutting the video in the morning, I woke up early, I thought to myself, okay, you need to do something. And then I realized, look at all of us, 430 people from all around the world here in this audience and yesterday at the party. It's hard to get not emotional talking about it, thinking about it. And you know, having this spirit, serving the industry together, for me it makes a difference, and it is an honor to work for this company. Because, you know, there is work, there is fun, and if you combine it, it's called, you name it, SolidCAM. All right, so let's get back to business. We are still in Germany. So I asked this question on day one because I do think it's true. Is finding the right partners a business hack? Yes, definitely it is. And I can prove it to you that it works after the intro is done. So we were on the AMB, right? And this exhibition is 2 weeks ago. And we were walking through the halls, and Emil already explained that we had a lot of partnerships. For example, this guy's, Hebele, you know all the robo drill machines? Now they created the robo grill, which is a barbecue. OK, let's continue. We partnered with Vanok. You can see those magnetic things we put on the machines. We had it on 18 machines on the AMB. That means if you walk through the halls of the AMB, no way to not see SolidCAM. And this is what we need to do. We need to be omnipresent with our partners. Again, at STAR, we had our own booth at STAR. Nachwuchsstiftung Maschinenbau. Bechtle was also there. Let's continue. We can do this forever. We had a magnetic thing there. And of all those machines, SolidCAM parts were running. So we programmed it. People see it, and they know it works. Let's continue. Zorn. What was that? Axon. We had our booth at DMG, right? Which is pretty amazing. Again, on a YCM machine. Oh, this is going forever. Another partner, tool manufacturer. We had a molding part here. So it's awesome. We also did a cooperation with the Lademanufaktur, and I have this part here. This is what we actually machined on the AMB. And this is a real part that is built for an engine. It's a turbocharger housing. And together with these guys, we created this, and this is in a tuning car. That means this will go all over the world with our logo on it, which is pretty amazing. I had to put engine sounds in it. We gave this part to the executive officer of DMG, and he was pretty amazed that we machined this on a CTX 450. Awesome machine, awesome cooperation. They are really happy. We are really happy. This is what it's all about. Again, the picture you saw already. I want to repeat it, and I know, be patient. This is just important to understand. Every one of you connect to partners. That's it. Nothing more to say after those 2 days of talking about partners. I made an interview with the sales president of Citizen Machinery Europe. I do think it's amazing. And I will repeat one sentence after the interview. Enjoy. Hi and welcome to the AMB 2024 here in beautiful Stuttgart. Today I'm in front of the Citizen booth, and I would like to show all of you what kind of good cooperation we have with Citizen. Come on. Adlin, do you have a second?
Yes, sorry.
No problem.
Thank you.
Hi, Adlin.
Hi,
Hi, how are you doing?
You are very fine, thank you very much.
Yeah. Awesome exhibition, right?
Yes. Oh,
So-
I feel tired. You?
Yeah, definitely. A bit tired, but anyway,
yeah,
we will do it.
Yes, we like
So,
it like this. Yeah.
Adlin,
Yes.
we are so happy to be here at the Citizen booth.
Welcome.
We started this cooperation about 5 years ago,
Yes.
and since then I think we did an amazing job helping our customers, helping your customers to get there faster.
Yeah, thank
Can
you.
you
for that.
just tell the audience who you are?
Yes, of course. For the camera, my name is Adnan Trabelsi. I am working at Citizen since 21 years. I am a sales director. My job every day, taking care about our customer and our partners, dealers. Yes, and I am happy for this interview, Michael.
Yeah, definitely, anytime. So, you told me once that you see more and more people requesting CAD/CAM solutions from you because parts are getting more complex, machines are getting more complex. Is it still the case?
Indeed, this is the case.
Okay.
We have now more and more complex machine. If
Okay.
you remember 5 years ago, when we introduced M machine,
Yes.
M16,
Exactly.
D25, we make interviews
Yes,
together.
exactly, yes.
That was the beginning with the B axis. Now we have a complex machine like L20, ATC, automatic tool changer,
Exactly.
5 axis.
The one we have in
interpolation.
our machine shop, yeah.
Exactly. And indeed, in this exhibition, I met customers
Okay.
having your software
Awesome.
and making complex parts. So
Okay.
without this cooperation, our customer has really a problem.
Okay.
And that's why it's important for Citizen to be up to date and to have this cooperation to help our customer. Yeah.
You know, we saw this trend of machines getting more complex pretty early. We started to do really deep development in order to support all those machines. Today we are there. We can support all of your machines here at the booth. And I think it would be very awesome if we can just stay in front of a machine and explain to people what we do and what we can do. So,
Definitely. If you don't mind, we can walk to a machine which I must show
Not
you
at all.
because this is a machine dedicated for your software.
Okay.
And it's an innovation from Citizen.
all right, shall we?
Let's go.
All right.
Okay, good.
What kind of machines do you think CAD/CAM is really needed for?
Very easy. All machines almost. But of course, there is like M machine is dedicated for the CAD/CAM, ABX with 3 turrets,
Yeah.
3 Y-axis. But the most important machine for your software, for the CAD/CAM, for our customer is with B-axis. Because the B-axis, you know, our newest machine has a 5-axis interpolation.
Yes, of course.
And the customer is looking not only for complex parts, is looking for super finish milling
Yes, of course,
surface.
yes.
And how he should program this 1 million points. So
Yeah,
he
true.
need a software for that.
And we do meanwhile have customers who are doing pure milling parts, working from a bar, because of course it's way cheaper to just have a bar feeder. They're making hundreds of thousands of parts, pure milling parts. That means we can help the machines that are out there to be utilized more, because hey, this machine can do way more things than just making a diameter, right?
Sometimes there is workpiece, you can not recognize it's coming from a turning machine.
Yes, exactly.
It's a
This is
poor
what I said,
milling
yeah.
machine. But the cycle time and the productivity and let's say the price for producing this part
Exactly.
is totally different in
Yeah.
a turning machine than in a milling machine.
Yeah, definitely.
Let me show you the machine.
Yeah, of course.
ATC with
Let's
the
see if we
B5.
can make our way through.
Yes,
So Alan, this is the machine you said CAD/CAM is something that is really needed for, right?
exactly.
So let me start the machine.
You have the machine in the showroom, I think you can manage.
Yeah, we know it quite well.
So, okay, Michael, this is the same machine like we have in your showroom.
Exactly, yeah.
L20 ATC with a tool changer carousel means a B-axis swinging, having carousel with 12 stations.
Yes.
So, the difference is here we modify this ATC system with a high frequency spindle,
Okay.
60,000 RPM
Wow.
with 12 stations. This we can use for, let's say, complex parts with the fine mechanic.
Okay.
Special medical sector
Yes.
is requesting this. Or, for example, using sister station. When you have very, very small tool, I'm discussing about a milling tool with a diameter 0.2, for example, and the tool life is limited. With the carousel, you can increase productivity.
Yeah, definitely.
The machine has 5-axis interpolation. The parts are complex. Without your help, I think our customer cannot make this super finish surface. And maybe if the camera can have a look inside to see also this B-axis, Michael. No? Maybe
of course.
So, and you can see here the combination between software and machine.
Exactly.
Our customer are enjoying it, hopefully, because more and more we have common customers.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
I hope you are happy with the machine in your showroom.
Definitely, yes, we are. And you know, we see more and more customers who are machining milling parts on a Swiss type machines. That means using SolidCAM helps them getting small parts done that are usually not really turning parts. And I think this shows that the market is also adapting to the needs. We need to get there faster, right? Pricing is always an issue for our customers.
Exactly. And also this with the SolidCAM programming offline, machine is producing, you prepare the next part. This is a good combination. Thank you for the cooperation, Michael.
Thank you that we are allowed to be here. We are very happy.
Always welcome behind the business. It's nice to work with you and your team.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, and let's see for the next year.
Of course.
We improve machines.
Yes.
You deliver your software.
We will.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
do it.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Adlan.
Always welcome.
So let me repeat one sentence. Without this cooperation, our customers are having problems. And this is why machine tool manufacturers are cooperating with us, because they cannot do it by themselves, as we can't do it by ourselves, so we need to just combine. So what are the best partners? Everybody who is speaking CNC. It doesn't matter if it's a machine tool manufacturer, tool manufacturer, cooling liquid manufacturer, it doesn't matter. Use what you have in your country. And Greg Payton is going to talk about the global partnerships today, and he will also explain why it is so important to have these partnerships that usually starting in Germany, in Japan, or wherever, and make their global connection, because it's exactly what we do here, right? We build the network that will help at the end our customers. And there is one more very important partner, and this is SolidCAM Additive. On the AMB, we saw so many people walking up to our booth, and they were having a look to our additive show parts that we showed. Because they see SolidCAM is not only CAM anymore. SolidShop, additive, we are the solid platform for manufacturing. And our customers understand that. They trust us and use the SolidCAM additive connection and use the team. Jörg Vollmann-Schipper is going to talk about it after my presentation. He is the business director of additive. Talk to him. This can help us as SolidCAM to get more leads. Because at the end, your machine deserves it.